I came here as a kid a long time ago, but every time you come back here, you still feel like a kid. The fact that I get to come almost 10 years later and have my kids here with me in that parade, and Ashley's riding Space Mountain right now, so that tells you what fans we are of the Disneyland experience. So I'm proud to finally say I'm a part of it. My two kids are waving to every single person and telling me that they see people that they know out in the crowd, which was fascinating to me. And you see a lot of Broncos jerseys out there, and see a lot of people that are excited that have just watched the game. Well, it's hard to pick a different word besides just special. Having a chance to be a part of a Super Bowl team almost 10 years ago, I remember what a great feeling it was, and to be able to celebrate it with your teammates and your family members and friends that have been with you for a long, long time. The game, the celebration after, being here today, all makes for a very special 24 hours.